Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key in the Shade. Today I'm going to show y'all how I achieved this look.
Crib in the big body. Gotta go, man, the mommy about to catch a body. Mommy, if I go down on your body, promise that you won't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Daddy left you home alone, now you a homebody. Now you sneaking every single freak a week and getting naughty.
Okay, you guys, so I've never done a voiceover before, so this is going to be interesting. So, I'm going to show y'all how I achieved this look by watercoloring this wig. Okay, so the wig I'm trying out today, I got from Flyyinchesboutique in a giveaway. She is a 10-inch platinum blonde wig, and they said it's mink straight. She has a lot of parted space, as you can see, and also comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, along with an adjustable strap. I do later, as you're going to see, remove the combs because they hurt my hair. Like, they irritate my skin. So, yeah. Okay, this is my first time dyeing hair with watercoloring method, so this was an experiment for me. I didn't know what color it was going to come out to, but I'm going to show y'all what I got. First, I added boiling hot water in a bowl. Then just add a bit of shimmery light shampoo, I believe it's called. Shimmer light shampoo. I don't know how much you're supposed to add, but here you go. Yeah, I highly doubt I needed that much, but here we are now. Now you gotta stir it. I stirred it a lot. Gotta mix it all up in there. And just adding a little bit more. Now to add your wig, it's water hot. Now to let it marinate in there. I don't know what I'm doing, but in all the videos that I watched on YouTube, they were mixing it like crazy, so that's why I'm moving it around so much. I guess it's so the wig can take the color. I don't know. Alright, next all you gotta do is rinse out the wig, rinse the shimmer light out, get it out of there. I rinsed it off on camera, but yeah. Okay, next, I just got a different bowl, but you can clean out your bowl, whatever, but refill the bowl up with boiling hot water and add your hair dye. I used the Ion Permanent Cream in the color brown. Take note of that. I used the color brown. So, yeah. This crap was hard to come out. So then just mix that around. I then added some bleach in there, some hair bleach. So mix all those together until all the little chunks are gone. Now you add your wig back. Put your wig back in there, move it around again like crazy. Just like so. And boom. Finally, all you do is wash the wig out. Use whatever shampoo or conditioner you feel comfortable with. I just use these because I like them and they smell good. Alright, so this is the finished product of it. So now we just gotta try it on and see how this looks. Y'all, I have no idea how I come out with this color. I'm pretty sure it's from the little shampoo, but we're here now. simple makeup. I am not a makeup guru, so please do not judge on that. This is just simply how I like mine. Okay, you guys, and this is the final look after everything. I just put it in a middle part, honestly, so it's something really cute. I was very surprised with this color. I'm not gonna lie, I have never dyed hair before, so this was a first for me, but I am pleasantly surprised. Okay, you guys, and this is the final look after everything. I just put it in a middle part, honestly, so it's something really cute. I was very surprised with this color. I'm not gonna lie, I have never dyed hair before, so this was a first for me, but I am pleasantly surprised. Okay, and I'm just pushing it over to the side so y'all can see fully of how the side part look. I didn't make a part, but I can. But yes, this is how it looked with the side part as well. I love it. I usually am not a side part person, but I think it is too freaking cute. Like, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all like it? Which way would y'all wear it? The side part. I did do the half up, half down look as well. I'll insert some pictures somewhere or a video, but I like that look very much so. I may do, I did two ponytails. so technically still half up, half down. I'm gonna still try like just the single ponytail at the top and see how it comes out. But you guys, I am feeling this hair. I love this color, and I got so much feedback from my friends back at home loving this color. So this may be, you know, my every once in a while new thing. Like, she cute. Hey you guys, and like I said, the wig itself came from Flyyinchesboutique. I did win in a giveaway on Instagram. Their hair is amazing. I love it. It is soft. It is perfect. If y'all want their information, I will insert it somewhere in the video, and also it will definitely be in the description below, the link to their website and to their Instagram. If y'all like the way the look came out, let me know below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so y'all know when my next video is coming up, which should be very soon. So just stay tuned.
In the big body, gotta go, man, the mommy about to catch a body. Mommy, if I go down on your body, promise that you won't tell nobody, don't tell nobody. Daddy left you home alone, now you a homebody. Now you sneaking every single freak of week and getting naughty. Got you screaming through the walls.